everyone and warm greetings from Tafelberg family. Today I would like to introduce one of the leading brands in large home appliances, namely Whirlpool. For the last 110 years, life at home has always been at the heart of their business, and it is no different with their latest innovation of 6-sense ovens. This 73-litre Whirlpool built-in electric oven features exclusive 6-sense technology, so there is no more guesswork when cooking. 6sense allows you to pick from a large variety of pre-programmed recipes, and your oven will automatically adjust cooking, temperature and time settings to ensure perfect results every time, allowing you to a fully assisted cooking experience. The multi-function 8 feature offers flexible cooking options to ensure perfect results, whatever the recipe. There is also a ready-to-cook function which uses a powerful convection system to quickly reach the right temperature and eliminates the need for preheating. Smart Clean technology provides a self-cleaning cycle to ensure ideal cleaning results without the use of detergents at the touch of a button. Advanced electric technology allows you to cook dishes while saving energy, and the halogen lamp allows a more energy-efficient performance. Forced air seals in the taste. Thanks to the forced air technology, preheated air is circulated inside your oven using an innovative convection system, giving you moist, juicy cooking results. The Cook For function provides a unique level of flexibility that enables consumers to cook up to 4 dishes at the same time without mixing any of the flavors or aromas. The Whirlpool 6sense oven also offers you a full 2-year guarantee. So whether you are a working family, enjoy hosting, a professional or aspiring chef, you can be certain that the Whirlpool built-in oven with 6sense technology will ensure you a quick and easy, delicious meal every time. Whirlpool and Tafelberg Furnishers, always a better deal.